You're 25. You're smart. You work hard. But you still feel broke. You're not lazy. You're not dumb. The truth is, you were never taught how to win the money game. And the scariest part? Most people never figure it out. They just survive. For 40 years. Until it's too late. But a few, very few, escape. They build wealth in silence. And by 30, they're free. In this video, I'm giving you the blueprint, the real path to financial freedom in your 20s and 30s. Not TikTok hacks. Not crypto hype. Just timeless rules that actually work. Stick with this for 7 minutes, and it could buy you 30 years of freedom. These aren't theories. They're the exact steps I and thousands of others used to go from broke and stressed to wealthy and free before 30. Let's break the chains. Most people go broke trying to look rich. They buy liabilities, cars, clothes, tech to impress people who aren't watching. Freedom starts when you stop spending money to feel good and start using money to build something. Own things that pay you even when you sleep. Your income is a mirror of your skill set. Want to earn more? Learn more. A 22-year-old working at a cafe by day, studying UX design at night. High-income skills, copywriting, coding, video editing, sales, they don't just pay well. They give you control. Skills give you leverage. Leverage buys your time back. Don't just save money, build a wealth gap. That's the space between what you earn and what you actually spend. A young woman skipping the luxury apartment, driving a used car, but investing $1,000 per month. While everyone else flexes fake lifestyles, you'll be stacking freedom. You can't flex your way to financial independence. The difference between starting at 25 and 35 is not 10 years. It's hundreds of thousands of dollars. $500 per month from age 25 versus 35 equals $500,000 plus difference. Use index funds, automated investing apps. Don't wait to get rich to invest. Invest to get rich. Compound interest doesn't care about your excuses, but it rewards those who start early. Hustling is how you start, but systems are how you escape. Someone launching a digital product. Affiliate income rolling in while they're on vacation. Automate your savings. Build businesses that scale. Stop being the engine. Start owning the machine. Real freedom is waking up and realizing you don't have to trade time for money ever again. Imagine this: you wake up when you want, work on things you actually care about, and your money keeps growing while you sleep. A person journaling on a beach, smiling as they close their laptop, visiting family without asking for time off. You don't need to win the lottery. You don't need rich parents. You just need to start right now, because every month you wait is freedom you're giving away. You're not behind. You're just getting started. But only if you choose to. Your future is built in your 20s. Don't waste it. Want my free guide on the exact steps to build wealth in your 20s? Hit the link below. And remember, freedom is earned, but it's absolutely worth it.